Did you know that over 50% of car seats are installed incorrectly? Are you certain your child's car seat is as safe as it should be? What if a small mistake could put your child at risk in a crash? Today, we're diving into the critical steps every parent needs to know to install a car seat correctly and keep your little one safe. These are some of the most common mistakes parents make. The seatbelt or latch system isn't tight enough. The harness straps are too loose. The car seat angle isn't correct, especially for infants. Transitioning to a forward-facing seat too soon. A poorly installed car seat can fail to protect your child during a crash, leading to severe injuries or worse. In fact, the risk of serious injury increases by up to 70% if the car seat isn't secured properly. That's why it's essential to get it right every time. Here's how to install your car seat correctly, every time. Choose the right spot. Place the car seat in the back seat, ideally in the middle, away from airbags. Secure the seat using either the seatbelt or the latch system, not both. Ensure it doesn't move more than 1 inch side to side or front to back. Adjust the angle for rear-facing seats to make sure the recline angle is appropriate to prevent head slumping. Tighten the harness so the straps lie flat, with no slack. Perform the pinch test. If you can pinch the strap, it's too loose. Check the chest clip and position it at armpit level, not too high or low. Did you know that rear-facing seats are up to 5 times safer than forward-facing? Experts recommend keeping your child rear-facing until they outgrow the weight or height limit of the car seat, usually around 2 to 4 years old. Are you turning your child forward too soon? Still unsure? Get your installation inspected by a certified child passenger safety technician. Many local fire stations or hospitals offer this service for free. Remember, a properly installed car seat isn't just a safety feature, it's a life-saving tool. Take the time to double-check because nothing is more important than your child's safety.